All right, welcome, folks. Today we're going to talk about The Breakfast. This is the app I'm digging into. I've wanted to look at this one for a really long time. And the concept is you meet new people over breakfast. And I'm not 100% sure why they say it's not dating or networking, just breakfast. It's clearly networking, as far as I could tell. That was the focus. It felt like a very LinkedIn application. And unfortunately, I can't show the app because I'm not in yet. I applied. But I think it's really interesting to bring serendipity to this, to try to create real life interactions with people on an app. And so the idea is, I guess, you apply once a day and you meet someone. I'm not sure how it actually works, like how they coordinate it. Let's see. Interesting. So they try to match you up based on personality, and then you get a chance to meet. I'm really curious about how they do this in like a big city. Like Los Angeles seems really difficult because I could be in LA, but that could mean 2 hours away. Um, yeah, this is my biggest question: is if it's free or not? So okay, it's membership based. It's $12.99 a month. That seems very low. So what I'm reminded of here is called 222. And 222 is not one-on-one, it's groups. So basically, it's this idea that you take a personality test, then you jump in with a group of people at a place that they pick for you. So this one's even, 222 is even more curated. I'm really curious what this ends up looking like. I don't know what episodes are. Oh, interesting. So this is a really great idea. I've seen, I don't know if people have seen, it's called the Shelf app. And let's see. Maybe this is really hard to find. Anyhow, there's this like little series where they take you through someone's shelf, as they call it. They basically take you through their house. This is a really great idea. Places. So these are the places. Oh, okay. So they pick like a place. So let's see. Do they not have Los Angeles? Oh, maybe they don't have Los Angeles in here. That's kind of interesting. Let's see what New York is. Wow. This is interesting. I really like this. I might use this next time I go to New York. Directory. What is this? Oh, interesting. Oh, they have like a little curated. I really love this project. I am curious like who is building this and why and how. The design is really good. What I really look for in stuff like this is the typography. And as you can tell, this typography is custom. The colors are custom. It's really, really beautiful. Let's see. Who makes the breakfast? It was conceptualized by two people. Social app that wasn't about dating or networking, but instead was about people and conversations. Okay, I can buy that. So they're headquartered in Lisbon. I keep hearing about Lisbon. I really think that's popping off in terms of remote work. I am really intrigued by this one. I will have to do a second video if I get in, but I want to show people the app really quick. So I gave it a download. This is on the iPad, so it's not perfect, but this is kind of the login flow. I think it's really interesting to see their interactions. The user experience is really, really smooth, really, really clean. Like these are really nice transitions. I really like how innovative it is to like use a button press like that. I've never seen that interaction before. So like, yeah, you need an invite code. I don't have one. So I then fill out this profile. And what I'm really excited about is mostly forms suck. And this one is really well done. Forms are hard to get right, and they do it. So there's a lot of really nice touch points they have here. And we will see how this goes. I'm very curious to learn more. But hats off to this team. They're doing great stuff. I'm really curious about what they're doing. And there's a person I cannot remember off the top of my head. She ran social events at Hinge, but she runs this podcast called The Later Dater. And it's really, really incredible. I highly recommend it because what she's doing is very similar to this. Her recommendation on dating is to focus on just learning how to have organic social interactions with no agenda. And I think that's what this does really well. I think that's what we're missing a lot in the kind of quote unquote modern world is just really relaxed organic spaces where we can talk like humans without having to be so intentional, having to be so tight-fisted to be able to have more spontaneity and relaxation and approach conversations with less stress. And so I think this is a really great idea. I really love 222, which is only in Los Angeles, unfortunately. This one looks like it's in some more cities, but I would highly recommend checking these out. It's a really fun way to meet people, interact, and I'll let you know if I get in.